Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link PayPal with Binance. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing you will need to know is that there is no direct way to start like using P2P or adding a payment method as Binance for as a PayPal payments method for Binance. And basically, all you need or all you are able to do is to start sending and getting crypto from PayPal to Binance. So basically, PayPal gives you the crypto or allows you to start exchanging the crypto from the PayPal itself. And all you need to do is to start creating your account in the crypto. And basically, you need just to go to your account here in the PayPal, and from there, you will be needing to set up the crypto. And by clicking on crypto, you will be able to start getting crypto and sending, receiving also like buying etc crypto using your PayPal balance. And of course it has also this PayPal USD and that you can start exchanging also. And basically to do so, you will be needing just to go to your Binance account, and basically you will be needing just to get your addresses by going to your Binance account, you withdraw button, and then go to the crypto tab, and from there you get the network addresses. And basically by that you will be able to start sending crypto or receiving crypto, as you can see by copy and pasting your PayPal crypto wallet address, and basically the transfer will be authenticated, and by that you will be able to start exchanging your crypto between Binance and PayPal. But for the P2P or any other operation, there is no direct way to uh, link your PayPal within Binance. And simply you can just go around this by linking your PayPal account within a debit card and use this debit card to start funding your Binance. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.